I feel like this is a mic drop moment. This car just speaks for itself. We haven't even begun, but I feel like I'm done. What more can I do to add to this? This is incredible. 69 Camaro, beautiful black, and the stance and the wheels and the deluxe houndstooth interior. Well, it does get better. There's an LS motor under the hood, overdrive automatic, vintage air, upgraded suspension and brakes, posi rear end. This is a slick car. Go to volocars.com where you'll see 200 slick cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the paint job is really nice. I go around with a little microfiber towel before we start and just touch them up and look for any flaws. I didn't see any. Just absolutely mirror finish black paint. Has the metal cowl hood. The white stripes are smooth to the touch. It is an absolute mirror. There's no ripples, no waves, no bubbles, no bad areas. The pillars are nice. No vinyl top. All beautiful. All black, slick paint. Jambs are painted glossy. Quarter panel, good looking lines on this 69. I love the quarter panel design. The sail panels, all this is nice and slick. It has front and rear spoilers. Rally Sport, so the reverse lights are mounted down here instead of in the middle of the tail light. All this is slick. Again, look at that right behind the tire. Look at that. It's an absolute mirror. Beautiful. All this nice, clean, square, straight. Shuts real nice. So the body and paint is killer on this car. As I said, the white stripes are painted on real nicely. The trim, would be the gutters, the louvers, door handles, mirrors. That all looks like it's replaced. Even the wipers are shiny, the marker lights, emblems, bumpers, all looks real good. It does have the Hideaway lights, that's all working. The lenses, the emblem, the grille, all of that has been replaced. It has Fessler flush mount front and back windows. There's no moldings around the window for a nice clean look. The wheels are Raceline wheels, 19s in front, 20s in back. They're wrapped in Nitto Performance tires. Look at how wide these wheels are in back. And it all fits in there just nice. They got the stance adjusted just right. This is one hot looking car. And coming around the back here, the bumper, emblem, lenses, reverse lights, all that's been replaced. Absolutely stunning. Let's check out inside and then I'll show you an LS motor. I did want to point out the bottom of this glass, there are some scratches, probably from whoever was doing some body work. Hit the bottom of the window there. Inside the trunk looks good. The jam and under the trunk lid, it all looks nice. The weather strip looks nice. It's solid inside. It's got a new mat, all new wiring throughout the car too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new videos are posted. They replaced the weather strips around the doors, and the little door bumpers are new. So it's a new deluxe interior. That includes the molded door panels. Looks like the handles and window cranks and door locks are even new. It has all new dash, the new gauges, 1,186 miles on this car since it's been done. It upgraded also with the electric slide vintage air controls. And it has a vintage retro type stereo. Little screen for the Terminator fuel injection. Being a deluxe interior, has the wood grain. Inside here is kind of a little crusty, kind of original in there, but the liner's new. Kick panels are nice, carpets are nice, has sound deadener under the carpet, has a new center console with the updated overdrive shift indicator. Seat belts have been replaced. The seats are on extended track, so a taller person can fit in here a little easier. And it's all new cushions, all new deluxe upholstery, looking real sharp. Got floor mats front and back, Same thing back here, all the upholstery, the seat belts, the side panels, the window cranks, all looks fresh. The rear shelf and the trim, that all looks real nice, fits real good. Then overhead, the sail panels and headliner are new and fit nice and tight. LED dome light, new matching visors, new mirror. And we have a new deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. So yeah, pretty sharp looking interior as well. Complements the exterior real nice. So it's a rebuilt 6-liter LS motor. It's got aluminum heads. I like the valve covers they put on, coil covers. They make them look like old vintage type valve covers. It does have stainless steel headers. Has a smoothed out firewall. This is an overflow bottle for the radiator. The tube just runs up to the radiator. All this looks good. Optima battery. Some massive battery cables coming out of it. The heater hoses and AC lines run behind the fender. Has a mini compressor, serpentine belt, new aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Has a nice filler panel up here cleaning things up. A RotoFab custom air intake, cold air intake system. Modern power steering. A Willwood master cylinder. So yeah, you got strong running engine right here. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, absolutely gorgeous resto mod Camaro to drive here today. Man, what a looker. This paint is something. You get it out in the sun. The drivetrain's something too. 6-liter fuel injected LS. Literally get in and just tap the key. Fires right up. Just like a new car. If you're looking for something with that kind of turnkey reliability, I'd encourage you to give this one a long, hard look. And it's got the 4L80E automatic overdrive transmission too. Do some highway cruising. And then the power steering and power disc brakes. That exhaust is gnarly. I really like it. And so I like the, I believe they're Dakota Digital blue backlit gauges. Then we got a Bluetooth stereo as well. So just a great car. See how nice and tight that upgraded suspension is. Come test drive it if the weather permits. You're always welcome here. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So the underneath is body off frame restored. So they removed all the components. It's all nice clean metal underneath there that was sprayed with a Raptor lining. So it's a nice sound deadener, chip guard type of paint. Looks nice and neat. Upgraded suspension. Up front is Ride Tech fat tubular control arms, big fat sway bar, gas shocks. I'm going to assume there's some lowering spindles and lowering springs up front as well. In back, it's a 4-link system with tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. Has a new fuel system, all compatible with the fuel injection system. Has a nice sounding dual exhaust with an X-pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. The tailpipes are all tucked up there. You don't see them hanging down. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels. It's a Willwood 6-piston in front, 4-piston in back. Big drilled and slotted rotors. It looks good behind those wheels right there. Looking up at the motor, it's aluminum oil pan, high torque starter. It's a 4L80E overdrive automatic transmission. A rebuilt drive shaft leads back to a 12-bolt rear end with 373 gears. So this thing is just set up to be a nice driving car. Go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it. And you can hit the buy it now button that puts a hold on it. You can talk to the salesman about your questions, including how to get your Camaro delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.